Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a trip back in time to explore one of the most rugged and classic American pickups ever made, the 1964 Dodge D-100. A truck that was built tough, practical, and simple, yet has become a favorite among vintage truck enthusiasts. Let's break it down from the outside in, and see how it holds up even today. Exterior. The exterior of the 1964 Dodge D-100 reflects the straightforward design philosophy of the early 60s. It features a bold and boxy body with clean lines, squared fenders, and a wide stance. The front grille is unmistakably Dodge, large, simple, and functional, with round headlights flanking either side. This was the kind of truck that was designed to look strong and purposeful rather than flashy. Many models came with two-tone paint options, giving it a bit of style while keeping that rugged work truck image intact. The steel bumpers and durable sheet metal show exactly why so many of these trucks are still around today. Interior. Moving to the interior, you'll immediately notice the no-nonsense approach. The cabin is simple, functional, and built for durability. Vinyl bench seats were the standard, designed to withstand years of use. The dashboard is metal, straightforward, and easy to navigate, with large gauges that provide only the essentials like speed, fuel, and temperature. Don't expect modern luxuries here, this truck was built for work. However, what it lacks in technology, it makes up for in pure nostalgia. That classic Dodge steering wheel and wide view out of the windshield remind you that you're sitting in a true piece of American history. Performance. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 1964 Dodge D-100 offered several engine options. You could get it with the slant-six engine, known for its reliability and efficiency, or step up to a V8 for more power and torque. With rear-wheel drive and a manual transmission, driving this truck was a hands-on experience. The suspension was built tough, designed to handle heavy loads, and it made the D-100 a dependable workhorse for farmers, contractors, and everyday drivers alike. By today's standards, it's not fast, and it doesn't ride as smooth as a modern pickup, but back in the 60s, this truck delivered exactly what buyers needed: strength, reliability, and simplicity. In conclusion, the 1964 Dodge D-100 is more than just a vintage truck, it's a reminder of a time when vehicles were built to last and designed with utility first. Its rugged exterior, simple interior, and dependable performance make it a classic worth appreciating today. Whether you're a collector, a restorer, or simply someone who loves the charm of old-school pickups, the D-100 holds a special place in American automotive history. So, what do you think of the 1964 Dodge D-100? Would you daily drive one of these classics, or keep it as a weekend cruiser? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more vintage car and truck reviews.